today we will be opening this like spaceship looking thing. Like I don't know what it's called. So it's it's still good. So let's pull it over here. It says warning: removal of freeze-dried candy may cause the hyperdrive to lose power. So if you guys have any questions about what that means, do it in the comments below, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, when I said if it's black, that means you subscribe. No, it doesn't. When it's gray, it means you subscribed. So yeah, so let's just start. So I found something right here. Let's move it in. Okay, right here. So look at that. It says inside. Oh, it says open here. I'm not gonna read that. So it says open.
It says insert Homo sapien appendages.
Yeah, but it says open here too.
Yeah,
so
just put your finger in. Not good.
Okay. So we have some stickers. Then, oh my gosh, we have honey beans. We have moon clouds. We have custom crunchers, and they're free.
Cosmic crunchers.
Cosmic crunchers. And we have cosmic cubes. So that's pretty cool. Oh my god. Then we have space sharks.
That's what I want to try.
Then we have alien tongues. Looks pretty cool. Now we have caramel apple.
Comments.
And sorry I haven't been like making videos in a long time. Just, busy with school stuff. And then we have, oh my god, lemon stars. And we have more of these. It's sour actually. It says sour on it. And then the rest is just this.
What are you going to try for the camera?
For the camera.
Sorry, the space dust.
I don't even know which one to try. But
I want to try the sharks. Give me a shark.
okay. So my dad's gonna try the sharks. Here you go. I don't know what I'm gonna try yet. Actually something different.
Sure.
So do you want the camera?
I'll eat it when you eat it.
Okay,
Pick one out.
I'll do the moon clouds.
Oh, this smells so good.
Do you have a ASMR? Wait, listen to that. Sounds really good. I don't know if you guys can hear that though.
You got it? You need help.
Got it. Yes. Yeah, I can open it.
Hold the shark.
So this is my dad's. That sounds really good. So then there's that. Here you go. Mine doesn't make it. Okay, I'll eat it. Wait.
It's so good.
This is really good. Guys, want a bite?
They're really good.
Try it.
Oh, wow. All right. 10 out of 10.
1,000 out of 10.
Oh, wow.
Best ever. So, yeah. The next video is gonna be a coloring video. So yeah, bye.